Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, first things first, let's get through this news. In the past 48 hours, there was $588 million of Bitcoin ETF inflows. Bitcoin funds saw a massive $588 million flow over the last 24 hours, the highest monthly amount, signaling strong institutional support. Analysts note key support at 105,662, with eyes on a push to 110, $110,000. All right, let's move on. Bitcoin climbs past 106,000 again. Bitcoin has climbed above 106, powered by easing Middle East tensions and a weak U.S. dollar. Ethereum, Solana, and XRP also posted gains as well. All right. As well. XRP whales accumulate $915 million. Large XRP holders have added $915 million to their positions this week, driving XRP up 8.4% in 48 hours, with resistance seen near $2.23. All right. Let's get on with it. So this was the news for today. Let's get on to the good stuff. Good stuff. All right, Bitcoin. We have, yes, this is my paper trading account. Yes. I still trade on here because I feel like there's always room to learn. I don't know everything. I probably won't know everything in trading. It'll probably take at least 10 years until I'm well rounded, I feel like. At least that's what everybody say, I guess. But anywho, Bitcoin, 12-hour flag right here. I did get in this area that I discussed a few days back. And as you can see, this was a pretty good entry. Already up 8.4%. So, of course, we have this flag going on right here. And of course, we are waiting for the breakout to the upside. Moving on to Total 3, which is basically altcoin season. This is what people go by. We have another, channel flag on the 12-hour as well. Now, it is showing some selling pressure right now, but there is still 5 hours left in this candle. So, if you move down to like the 2-hour, you can possibly see a flag or something. And the only reason why I say that, because in the other signals that I give out, we have 2-hour flags. So, always wait till price crosses and closes above or below your trend line. Wait for that close. To this day, I'm still having trouble with that myself. All right, wait for the close. All right, moving on to ETH. We have a 2-hour flag. Let's move on down to the 2-hour flag, and then boom. It probably won't be as pretty, but hey, let's draw it out. Let's draw it out like so. Well, channel flag, same difference. Yep. There we go right there. There we go right there. All right, moving on to what is this? XRP. Where are you? American, yes. US based. And again, we have the same type of pattern. The same type of pattern. So I don't think I need to draw that as well. Now I did draw SUI. I did draw SUI because this is where I found the trade. There we go. Like so. This is the SUI. This is for SUI 2 hour. This is SUI's 2 hour. All right. Let's move on to some stocks. Got a couple for some stocks. Let's see. I think this is Exxon. Exxon, we have a 12-hour reversal in cahoots with the Fibonacci retracement. So I did just find this one maybe 30 minutes ago. I found this one. And I did get in. Testing it out. Just to, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know what I'm doing. I guess it's just a psychological thing. Yeah. So definitely price is bouncing off this golden area right in here. From that pullback. All right, moving on. GameStop. 2 hour reversal. Well, this is not a reversal. This is a breakout. This is a breakout, waiting to form. See the flag? This is a breakout waiting. So I would definitely keep my eye out for this GameStop breakout. And it should be somewhere in the $13 or $14 range with the breakout. Take profit. All right. Ford. I don't know why I just wrote actual Ford. With Ford, we have a 2 hour reversal as well. Right there. That's the reversal. I don't know why this isn't drawn in. Let's see. Let's get my fib. No, I'm gonna do this one. I'm still here. Yeah, because that's the actual move, right? And then when price come in here, yeah, I see it now. I see it. Because it's definitely not ready to break out. I see it. There's no volume. I see it. There's no real volume. This could potentially be a double top. Boom, boom. How would this look like? Oh yeah, that's double bottom right there. And it's engulfing. This is on a 2-day. Well, yeah. Yeah, I'm taking that trade right there all day long. Yep, change of character right there. This is technically where you should get in based on the break or structure. I don't know why I said change of character. Break or structure right here. And then get in right there. What would that be? 7% in about a week or so? 2 weeks? Yeah, I mean, even that's showing, yeah. So that's good right there. Yeah, I kind of want to get in. Just get in on a little short right now. Time don't matter, right? I mean, just look at that. Whoa. Let's just do one. Oh. All right. Put my TP. Yeah, I want my TP like right there. That's actually 10%. Okay, check you out, big dog. All right, and then my stop loss right there. Which is like a 3-to-1 trade. Yeah, that's like a 3-to-1 trade. All right, I'll take that. All right, and then moving on. See, this is why I like trading so much because I can just get lost in this stuff. All right, SCHD. This one is a big short. Big short. Big short. Look at that. Big short. Yeah, that's a big short. And the move just started, so the move just started. So if not, to where it should be, because this should be the size of this. Yeah. So if you guys won't hit the TP right here, you can definitely hit that TP right there. You can definitely hit it right there. All right, last but not least, we have Chewy. Where's the mouse at? And we have a 6-hour short. Very similar to SCHD. Very similar. Very similar. So, of course, yeah, I'm taking that TP to this trend line, to this 2-day trend line. Taking that TP to that 2-day trend line. Every single time. Okay. All right. So I'm